This is Frank Buck, and this is the place to be if you want to get organized and make it look easy. 5 free digital tools to boost your productivity. That's what we're going to be talking about today. You know, the internet is chock full of free tools to make your life easier. For example, I wrote a blog post entitled 5 Free Sites to Make PDF Less Painful. If you missed that one, you can read it at this link, bit.ly/FrankBuck54, all in lowercase. Well, this week, I'm bringing you an assortment of 5 tools ranging from design to voice transcription. You'll find links to all of them in the body of the blog post. So if you're watching this directly on YouTube, the link to that post is going to be in the show notes. First up, Canva. Whether you're creating an invitation for a birthday party, a report, social media post, or just about any other design project, Canva makes it easy. Go to canva.com, in other words, canva.com, and create a free account. Yes, there's a paid option, but what's included in the free version is amazing. Start a project from scratch if you wish. What's easier is to take an example they provide and modify it. Let's take a look at just one example. How many Facebook pages have you seen where the cover is a picture of the family? The only problem is that the heads are cut off because the dimensions of the original picture don't match the frame for Facebook. So go into Canva and choose Facebook cover. Drag the photo into the frame. Resize the photo until you get the right look. And so while you're there, you can even add some text. It's easy to do, and then click a button to download. Now, when you upload to Facebook, it's going to be a perfect fit. Next up is block posters. If you're a teacher, you're likely making classroom posters. Well, there are machines that will make a large poster for you, but they're generally pretty expensive. So here's a free solution. You can design your poster in Canva. The resulting size will be 8.5 by 11, the size of a standard piece of paper. Be sure to download it as a JPEG, but then go over to blockposters.com. You don't even have to create an account. Upload your one-page creation. Block Posters composes a multi-page PDF of your original. The result will be something like a dozen puzzle pieces, each one being on an 8.5 by 11 block. Print the PDF and paste the pages together. It's all free. Next up is shortening a YouTube video. How many times have you wanted to show a group just a portion of a YouTube video? How can you make the video start at just the right moment and end at the desired spot? Well, go to youtubestartend.com. Enter the URL for the video. Find the points at which you want to start and end. Enter those into the site. The site produces a link. When you or anyone uses that link, the desired clip plays. Next up is Live Transcribe. This app is designed for the hearing impaired. It's available on Android, and what it does, it transcribes speech into text and displays it on the phone's screen. The hearing impaired person simply keeps an eye on the screen. I prepared a 3-minute video that demonstrates the app. You can watch that at bit.ly/FrankBuck120. Download the app for free here at bit.ly/FrankBuck121. Finally, we have Otter voice notes. Next time that you need to transcribe a meeting, give Otter a try. The app uses speech recognition to create transcripts automatically, even identifying multiple speakers and picking out keywords. Those transcriptions are then stored online so that you can access them from anywhere. Otter's free up to 10 hours of recording time per month. Here's a 2-minute video that shows how it works. You'll find it at bit.ly/frankbuck122. You can get Otter for your iOS device at this link, bit.ly/frankbuck162, or get it for Android at bit.ly/frankbuck124. Not every tool is for everybody, but often one tool makes a significant difference in a person's time management and productivity. Maybe one of these 5 free digital tools could be a game changer for you. If you liked this video, how about giving it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel? While you're there, take a look at these 2 videos and peruse the channel for other videos that are going to help you improve your time management, organization, productivity. This has been Frank Buck, helping you get organized and make it look easy.